political development as far as West Bengal is concerned, because obviously political parties have started a sort of a blame game after this particular person attacked the chief minister's nephew. Moving on now, on the story of Air India office, the threat that was in fact received at the Air India office. One person has in fact been arrested in this particular case, and we seem to be having some more information as far as this person is concerned. The arrest was made by the Special Task Force of the Kolkata Police from Bongaon area in North 24 Paragana. The accused has been identified as a 35-year-old Prasanta Biswas. He is presently being interrogated following a call to the Kolkata Air India office on Saturday that the airline's flight to Kabul could be hijacked. A special team comprising of officers of the STF and the detective department was set up. There has, however, been no let-up in the security alert at the airports. Manogya joins us on this story as well. Now, Manogya, do we know who this person actually is? Is this a hoax call, a miscreant, or there is obviously a deep or a sort of investigation taking place as to why this person did what he did?
Sanket, the fact that a call has been made in the month of January, just a few days away from 26 January celebration, the officials have confirmed that they would not leave any stone unturned and they would go ahead with all aspects as well as interrogation. They have also confirmed that he's being probed with the fact that on whether this was just a hoax call or was it a dedicated call or maybe a diversion of attention also as far as the security agencies are concerned. They have also confirmed that this would continue